In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto-suggestion mode in Microsoft Word. If you want to type in Microsoft Word without interruptions from predictive text, grammar suggestions, spelling indicators, or automatic corrections, you can adjust several settings to make your typing experience more straightforward. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner of the window and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage menu, where you can access different settings and options for Microsoft Word. From the menu on the left side, scroll down and select Options at the bottom. A new window called Word Options will appear. This window contains different settings that control how Word behaves while you create and edit documents. To turn off text predictions while typing, look at the list on the left side of the Word Options window and click on Advanced. This will display a variety of advanced editing settings. Next, scroll down until you find the section labeled Editing Options. Look for the option that says Show Autocomplete Suggestions. If this option is currently enabled, there will be a check mark in the box beside it. Simply click the box to remove the check mark. After that, click OK to apply the changes. This will stop Microsoft Word from displaying gray suggested words as you type. Next, if you also want to disable grammar and spelling suggestions, go back to File and then select Options again. This time, click on Proofing from the list on the left side. Under the section labeled When Correcting Spelling and Grammar in Word, look for the options Check Spelling as you type and Mark Grammar Errors as you type. Uncheck both of these options to turn them off. Once you've made these changes, click OK. This will remove the red and blue underlines that Word normally uses to indicate spelling and grammar issues, and it will prevent Word from suggesting corrections while you work. Finally, if Microsoft Word is automatically changing your words without your permission, you can turn off autocorrect. Still under the proofing section, click on Autocorrect Options. A new window will appear with additional autocorrect settings. In this window, look for the option Replace Text as you type and uncheck the box beside it. Then, click OK to apply the change. Click OK again to exit the Word Options settings. And that's it! You have successfully disabled the different automatic suggestion, spelling, grammar, and correction features in Microsoft Word, giving you more control over how your text appears while you type. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,